I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you, you say it's true. And it's like me. And life is human too.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to SoCal Exploring. Today we're having a Jurassic World, Nintendo Land, Secret Life of Pets construction update. This is my first construction update. I mean, I haven't been out to Universal in a while, so I'm gonna go check it out. I am here a little bit later at night, so the footage may be a little bit dark, but I'll try my best to get what I can for you guys. Bear with me here. So footage may be a little bit blurry, but I'm going to try my best to get the best shots. I'm pretty sure Secret Life of Pets won't be as blurry, but you know, Jurassic World and Nintendo Land, I gotta zoom in. So let's hop right into the construction and start off at the Secret Life of Pets. I believe that right here is gonna be the entrance. I'm assuming it just looks like there's a built up like Secret Life of Pets right there and such. But I believe they have a lot of work done, guys. Like the whole framework and everything's done, and it appears to like building the individual rooms inside and such. But soon here we're gonna see a big building and a ride entrance that they're gonna be working on soon. I mean, like, I'm actually very excited for this. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I am excited. We're gonna go over there right now and see what we can see over here. You can see the framework going on in there. This building's really big. I am super excited for this attraction to open next year. I had skeptical stuff about it in the beginning, but I'm actually seeing the construction progress of it and seeing how big it's actually gonna be. I'm actually very excited for it to come. This is gonna be big, guys. And it goes all the way over here to Walking Dead, so it's not just like how the theater was before, the Globe Theater, where it was just tiny. No, this thing goes all the way around. The rumors are over now because they announced it recently the past week. So it is now official. Look at it in there, guys. Wow. The building, I've said this like a million times, but the building does look massive. Soon they're probably gonna wall it off to where they'll put the exterior like walling right here, and then nobody will be able to see inside on what they're working on. But here is like a full view of how massive this building is. Like I said, it's right next to the Walking Dead attraction right here. And it goes all the way down there. That's how it's looking right now. Actually, just right here, so there's gonna be a big wall right there as you walk through the queue of Walking Dead. Interesting. that does it for this construction update, guys. If you enjoyed this construction update, make sure to subscribe down below. More construction updates to come soon. And if you'd like to see the new Dark Arts projections show, I just uploaded that video as well from the media event. So go check that out on my channel. Follow me on Instagram at SoCal Exploring Media and on Twitter at SoCal Exploring, and visit my website SoCal Exploring. So I will see you on the next one. Positivity is key. Don't let those negative barriers get in your way in life. And remember to keep exploring. Signing off from Universal Studios. Peace.
Everyone cashed out.